The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for east central Jefferson County in east central Ohio, northwestern Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, west central Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northeastern Brooke County in northern West Virginia, southeastern Hancock County in northern West Virginia, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Wintersville, or near Steubenville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and ping-pong ball size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Steubenville around 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Weirton, Wellsburg, Toronto, Mingo Junction, and Fallen be around 3:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Hooverson Heights around 3:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Avell around 4 p.m. is their daylight time. Imperial around 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Atlasburg, Sloven, Brentwood, Frankfort Springs, Rockdale, Hanover Township, Colliers, Sun Valley, Midway, and Langeloth. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the NWS Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter @NSPittsburgh.